Ever wondered what language powers the sleek and efficient platform, Podio? It's a question that might have crossed your mind if you're a tech enthusiast or a business owner leveraging this versatile tool. Let's dive deep into the technical underpinnings of Podio to unravel the programming language that brings it to life. Before we reveal the secret sauce, let's quickly recap what Podio is and why it's so popular. Podio is a cloud-based work management and collaboration platform that offers a flexible and customizable interface. It's used by businesses of all sizes, from startups to multinational corporations, to streamline workflows, manage projects, and foster teamwork. But what makes Podio so adaptable and user-friendly? A significant part of the answer lies in the language it's built on. The language behind the magic Ruby on Rails. Now, drumroll, please. The language that powers Podio is Ruby on Rails. Why Ruby on Rails? You might be wondering why Ruby on Rails. What makes it the perfect fit for a platform like Podio? Let's break down the key reasons. Rapid development. Ruby on Rails is renowned for its rapid development capabilities. This means that developers can build complex applications in a fraction of the time compared to other languages. This is crucial for a platform like Podio, which needs to be constantly updated and improved to keep up with the evolving needs of its users. Convention over configuration. Ruby on Rails follows the principle of convention over configuration. This means that it has a set of conventions for how things should be done, reducing the amount of boilerplate code that developers need to write. This leads to cleaner, more maintainable code and faster development times. Community and ecosystem. Ruby on Rails has a large and active community of developers who contribute to its ecosystem of libraries, frameworks, and tools. This means that developers have access to a wealth of resources and support when building applications with Ruby on Rails. Scalability. While Ruby on Rails might not be the most performant language out there, it's highly scalable with the right architecture and optimizations. Podio is a testament to this, as it's used by millions of users worldwide. A deeper dive into Ruby on Rails. To truly appreciate the power of Ruby on Rails, let's delve a little deeper into its core concepts. MVC architecture. Ruby on Rails follows the Model View Controller, MVC, architectural pattern. This pattern separates the application into three interconnected parts. Model represents the data and business logic of the application. View handles the presentation of the data to the user. Controller manages the flow of the application and interacts with the models and views. Active record. This is a powerful object relational mapping, ORM, framework that allows developers to interact with databases using Ruby objects. It simplifies database operations, such as querying, creating, updating, and deleting records. Action Pack. This framework provides the tools for building web applications, including routing, controllers, and views. It handles requests from the browser, processes them, and generates responses. Action Mailer. This framework simplifies the process of sending emails from your Ruby on Rails application. It allows you to define email templates and send them to users. Action View. This framework provides the tools for building web pages, including layouts, partials, and helpers. It renders HTML templates and inserts dynamic content into them. The future of Podio and Ruby on Rails. As technology continues to evolve, so too does Ruby on Rails. The language is constantly being updated with new features and performance improvements. This means that Podio, as a Ruby on Rails application, can continue to innovate and provide a world-class user experience. So there you have it. Ruby on Rails is the language that powers the impressive platform we know as Podio. Its combination of rapid development, scalability, and a strong community makes it the perfect choice for building modern web applications. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.